Greetings to all lovers of high quality and stylish watches. Today I want to talk about Tissot watches. Tissot is a Swiss watch brand that was founded in 1853 in Lacal. They are known for their highly accurate and stylish wristwatches that combine classic design with modern technology. This Tissot men's watch has a titanium case that makes it lightweight and durable. The case size is 42.6 millimeters, which makes them large enough to attract attention, but not so large as to be unwieldy on the wrist. The watch has a mineral glass that provides sufficient durability and protection against scratches. The bracelet is also made of titanium, which ensures reliability and wearing comfort. The watch mechanism is quartz, which ensures high accuracy of movement and a long power reserve up to 3 years. This makes them ideal for everyday use. The watch is splash resistant, which means it can be worn while washing hands or walking in the rain. However, they are not suitable for swimming or snorkeling. Although the watch shows signs of wear, the dial is in good condition, making it a great choice for those looking for a stylish and reliable watch at an affordable price. All in all, Tissot is a fine watch brand known for its quality and durability. Best wishes, your Citadel watch.